Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here in your profile. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So you keep going down and you come here to use it here for best preference performance here. You click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone, that's mean use uh, it for best performance, it's disabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.